Now get ready, because what I'm about to show you could literally save you thousands of pounds and absolute heartache. Watch this. So as you can see, I've already applied the masking tape. This is an absolute must so you do not destroy the floor. We're now going to use a two-part mitre bond, the glue part and the spray part, which is the activator, which makes it set super fast, making sure that the glue only touches the masking tape, nothing else. In some cases, if you're using it on a laminate floor, it will pull the actual face off the laminate, or it can do, and that could be absolute devastation. Making sure it's pressed really hard, good contact, and get ready for this. In a second, it will be set. It only takes up to 10 seconds to set, but get ready for this. Tap, tap, tap. Watch this. Yeah, it really is that good. Now, come on, you didn't think I was going to put some glue on there, did you? Just for illustration purposes only, making sure it was going to work, I did a dry fit. Now, this time, knocked it back, a little bit of PVA in that joint, and again, tap, 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 making sure it's absolutely perfect. Now, our choice of wipes is always going to be the big boy wipes. Big boy wipes, come on, the big wipes. They are the best. We use them in day to day, and we've used literally thousands throughout the years, but watch this. Making sure that all the glue is off the face. Now, time to take that block off. Look how well it grabbed off the masking tape. Making sure that, again, there was nothing on the floor itself, and that masking tape will come off really easily, because, again, it's only on the floor. There's no glue actually touched the existing floor. But, come on, guys. That is a trick of the trade, and it could literally save you thousands of pounds. Stay tuned for more little tips and tricks. See you in my next one.